There are more people who see the world as being more interconnected. So the connectivity of different parts of Asia is attracting more and more attention. And I began in India, and then I worked more intensively in Bangladesh, and I expanded my work to larger areas of Asia as time went on. I really learned about the difficulties of bringing different parts of Asia together into one system of knowledge. And it's even harder once you realize that Asia includes what the Americans call the Middle East and Russia. This larger view of Asia is even a great challenge from the point of view of people who study Asia. And so putting them all together into a big picture is a really exciting challenge.
The Oxford Research Encyclopedia of Asian History is a dynamic research tool that brings together scholars from across the globe. I think that it's the default for a student to type in a search term, and oftentimes what they find can't really help them out in a classroom. It just doesn't meet a certain threshold of quality. That's where the ORE of Asian History comes into play. All of our material is double peer reviewed, and our editorial boards look at each piece, including our editor-in-chief.
The Oxford Research Encyclopedias are produced by scholars who are writing on scholarly topics of their own expertise. Boom, you go to the ORE and you find this fantastic article. It's got links inside of it. It's got references that can be followed in a direct way. It's interactive internally so that you can jump from one entry to the other, but you can also jump to external links that will be available. It's got everything you need to go from zero knowledge to a lot of knowledge very quickly. It's dynamic both in terms of its internal interactability, but also in terms of its revisability.
It's constantly updatable. The scholars who participate are able to revise their work pretty much whenever they want, and we encourage them to.
Because of the fact that it is virtually limitless in terms of its space, we can always add new concepts, new entries, new levels of detail. We really want to take contemporary issues and historicize them, and so having a student look for something on poverty in Asia or malnutrition or war, Islam, they'd be able to actually see how contemporary issues link up to large-scale historical types of research.